This video shows a pregnant woman experiencing a heartburn and went to a clinic for prenatal checkup.
Lane Cabanda? Hi, how are you today?
Good. How are you today?
I'm good. It's nice to see you. So my
Yeah, it
husband
should be.
with you. Have a seat.
Yeah, thank you.
How are you feeling today?
Oh, I'm good.
I see that you're placing your hand on your chest. Is there any discomfort that you're feeling right now?
Oh, not really.
Can you tell me if there's some things off?
No.
Do you feel like vomiting or any pain?
Actually, these past few days, I've been feeling uncomfortable because I sense a burning sensation here in my chest after I eat. It's like there's a sour taste of fluid coming up of my throat. I remember I experienced that even before I wasn't pregnant.
I'm really worried about her condition, especially if it's her first time to get pregnant.
Oh, I see. I do understand your concerns. We have a lot of patients like you experiencing the same thing. That's what we call heartburn. It is a burning sensation as you felt. It is occasionally with burping and regurgitation or coming up of a little sour tasting fluid, which is the stomach acid. It is common during pregnancy. And you have mentioned a while ago that you experienced that before, even when you weren't pregnant. You would have a greater chances of having heartburn again during pregnancy.
Oh, I see. That's why I experienced it again. What causes heartburn though?
Well, heartburn can be caused by several factors. One is increasing pressure in the abdomen because of the growing baby. It causes stomach contents to back up into the esophagus. Next is the lower esophageal sphincter. It is the ring that closest to your stomach hole at the bottom of the throat. It tends to relax during pregnancy. Another thing is the hormone, which are progesterone and estrogen. These hormones slow gastromotility and digestion, and it decrease the lower esophageal sphincter pressure, which make the stomach content backing up in your throat.
Oh, there are many reasons why I experience that. Thank you. That's a lot of good information.
You're very much welcome. So, Lane, when did you feel the heartburn?
I usually feel the burning sensation after I eat spicy meals and fried foods.
Actually, spicy and greasy foods can aggravate heartburn. Do you smoke or drink alcoholic beverages?
I used to, but not anymore since I have the baby inside of my tummy. I'm very careful now.
Oh, that's good to hear. Aside from many harmful effects of cigarette smoking and drinking alcoholic beverages, it irritates the lower esophageal sphincter that I was telling you about a while ago. It is the ring that closes your stomach hole at the bottom of your throat that serves as a barrier to prevent food from coming up into your throat.
Also, I have more reasons now why I should continue not to drink or smoke even after giving birth.
That's a great idea, not only for you but for your baby as well.
Yes, I wanted to be healthy, especially for my baby.
That's right. Okay, Nurse Irene will see you in a bit. I will just check some files. She will give you further information on how to manage of heartburn. Do you have any questions right now?
No, not really.
Okay. So, Nurse Irene will see you here. in a
Okay,
bit.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, I'm Irene. I'm your nurse today. How are you?
We're good, thank you.
I understand you are experiencing heartburn. I am here to provide you more information on how to manage your heartburn.
Oh, sounds good to me.
There are certain food that you should avoid like cola, orange juice and chocolate, peppermint, and fried food. I understand that these are people's favorite food. It's important to realize that this food is generally causing heartburn, but if they don't cause heartburn for you, then you don't need to avoid them.
Okay, good to know that.
May I ask your eating pattern?
I usually eat 3 times a day.
It is best if you eat small frequent feeding, about 5 to 6 meals a day, about every 3 hours, and drink plenty of fluid as well.
Oh, okay. My mother told me to elevate my head on a stack of pillows when I lay down. Is it okay?
Yes, elevating your head by 6 inches and not lying down for an hour after a meal can help. Do you have any question at the moment?
What if after I followed all of your recommendations, my heartburn still persists?
Then you should see your doctor so that he can assess you further if it's really a heartburn. There are certain medications that you can take to neutralize or to control the production of stomach acid that can cause heartburn. One of these antacid. There are many kinds of antacid, like with aluminum that can cause constipation, and antacid that contain magnesium that can cause diarrhea. So taking antacid containing both aluminum and magnesium is recommended to counteract the side effect of each other. Another medication that you can take if antacid didn't work is the H2 blocker. Example of this is ranitidine. And this shows efficacy during pregnancy. If you tried antacid and ranitidine and you're still having heartburn, proton pump inhibitor is recommended. But you need to consult your doctor before taking this medication because some of them can harm your baby. I know it's a lot of information, but did you understand? Do you have any questions?
Yes, I understand. Thank you. I have learned so many things today about heartburn, and I know now how to manage them.
May you please state what will you do if you manage your heartburn?
I learned today that I should avoid spicy and greasy foods. I will continue not to smoke or drink alcoholic beverages. I will elevate the head of the bed by a stack of pillow. And I will eat small frequent feeding and not to lay down an hour after eating.
That's great. For an instance, any severe like vomiting or difficulty swallowing or pain when you swallow, don't hesitate to consult your doctor.
Okay, thank you so much for all the information you and Nurse Rachel provided us.
You're welcome.
With all the things you've learned today, you will not be anxious anymore.
That's good to hear. So see you after 2 weeks.
Yeah.